When the world feels suffocating, look towards the sky with tearful eyes and say, "O my Allah, if you are pleased with me, then I too am pleased with whatever you decree." This world is truly strange. Those who are crooked are left alone, while those who are upright are constantly tested. Make it a habit to greet others with kindness. It increases friends and decreases enemies. To win hearts, you don't need ladders, but good manners. Parents are like a medical store where every pain has a free remedy. May Allah Almighty keep everyone's parents safe and healthy. Always advise others, but don't embarrass them. The goal is to knock on the door, not to break it. Spread ease, or else difficulties will pile up. If someone is suffering from poverty and has no means of livelihood, they should recite Surah Al-Kahf after Isha prayer for 11 days. Inshallah, it will bring abundance to their sustenance. In current times, never argue with anyone. If someone says an elephant can fly, tell them it was sitting on our rooftop this morning. When your pockets are full, even enemies forgive your mistakes. But when your hands are empty, even your own siblings won't greet you. There's no difference between the overly wise and the overly foolish, because neither listens to anyone. Straight paths and straightforward people are often disliked by many. Destruction awaits those who mock others and constantly seek out their flaws. If you want to understand someone's mind, listen to their words. If you want to understand their heart, observe their actions. 4 qualities make a person perfect: a calm mind, sweet speech, a soft heart, and a smiling face. May Allah bless us all with these qualities.